And welcome back my YouTube channel Car Technology. So in this video I show about how to reset oil deterioration warning. Okay, now oil maintenance requestion. Okay, Toyota Yaris Cross model year 2014 and model year 2043. Okay, 23 or 24. Okay, now this car is show the illumination oil deterioration warning or oil maintenance requestion. Okay, now let's go. I show how to reset in it. Okay, now go to button on the steering pad or steering wheel. Okay, now back and then scroll to setting. Okay, yeah, setting, and then scroll to oil deterioration WNG reset and enter. Okay, scroll up and click yes. Okay, now oil maintenance reset is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.